Today, I'm thrilled to share my journey step by step of using AI to build a strong Instagram presence from scratch. In this video, I'll explain how you too can build an Instagram following of thousands and earn thousands of dollars each month using AI tools without showcasing your own face. So, join me as we explore the ins and outs of harnessing AI's potential, not only to accumulate followers, but also to establish a profound connection with each and every one of them. We will uncover the strategies for creating content that deeply resonates with the audience and see how each interaction plays a pivotal role in cultivating a loyal and engaged following. If you follow the same steps I've taken, I have no doubt that you can achieve the same results. Step 1. Choose the perfect topic. It begins with discovering a lucrative niche and a great topic. No one cares about what you like. It's all about creating shareable content that provides value to people. So let's chat about why picking the right topic is so important. Here's the deal. Choose something you're passionate about, but make sure it's trending online. So I used Google Trends to help me find what everyone was buzzing about. A simple to use tool backed by the giant Google meant that it was really simple and quick for me to find topics that were creating a buzz in the surrounding areas. An important factor in choosing your topic is the country you are going to focus on. Google Trends shows which topics are popular in each country. It was like having a crystal ball that showed me what people were really into. Oh, and don't stress too much about the name. It's not as important as you think. Need help coming up with a catchy name? Try out this amazing website called Namelix. Super handy, I tell you. It works by combining keywords you provide and using AI algorithms to create unique and brandable names. You can input your preferences and criteria, and Namelix will provide you with a list of name suggestions based on your inputs. For my account, I went with Contaneous Wizards because it sounded totally groovy and of course resembled the purpose and niche of my account. And my chosen topic? AI generated geographic content with little competition and ideal for adding a lot of value through short form content. People get easily distracted. Providing a lot of information in a short amount of time has proven to be a hit after the rise of TikTok. This brings me to step 2, where you'll figure out how to stand out in your niche. You gotta add your own unique flavor to the mix, whether it's your personality, editing style, or being an early adopter of new content styles. Find something that sets you apart. It's like having a secret ingredient in your recipe for Instagram success. Now here's where things get interesting. I discovered DALL-E 3. You heard me right. DALL-E 3 is the improved version of DALL-E 2. DALL-E 3, developed by OpenAI, is a cutting-edge generative AI tool that takes text prompts and transforms them into impressive visuals. You can simply type your request and fine-tune image properties through interactive conversations and using machine learning. Ideal for content creators like you and me who want to stand out from the crowd. Trust me, being a trendsetter pays off big time. Throughout the video, you'll see that you'll reap the benefits with the help of DALL-E 3. Alrighty then, now it's time to get down to business in step 3 and create some killer content. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about what makes content go viral. Pay close attention, my friends, because this is golden advice. Reshares and saves are Instagram's favorite metrics. The more the better. And don't forget about watch time. If you can keep people glued to their screens, you've hit the jackpot. To make sure your content goes viral, I've got a simple checklist for you. If you answer yes to these questions, you are on your way to Instagram stardom. Will people pause their infinite scrolling just to look at your post? Will they spend ages staring at it? Will they save it for later or share it with their buddies? Will they feel compelled to leave a long and thoughtful comment? Aiming for these targets will give you the best shot at going viral. Trust me, use this as a checklist, it will work. Earlier, I talked about the key metrics of Instagram and the questions you need to answer for the virality of your content. But what about creating the actual content? How to create posts that everyone wants to share? This brings me to step 4, crafting viral content with AI. In my case, I use this cool combo of Bard and 11 Labs to make my posts sound awesome. Have you heard about Google Bard? Google Bard is a chatbot powered by a large language model, LLM, created by Google AI. It's a powerful tool capable of handling various tasks, including the generation of diverse creative text. It competes with ChatGPT and other similar language models in the field. 11 Labs, on the other hand, is an AI text to voiceover tool. Consider a single prompt for Google Bard like, give me the history of Israel in the last 50 years and the relationship with Palestine and vice versa. Now, copy and place the answer in the tool for voiceover and voila, you have a nearly realistic voice for your post. These AI tools were like my own personal helpers, making sure every word and every sound was just right. With their help, I crafted posts that people couldn't help but like and share. It was like having a team of experts guiding me to make the kind of post that everyone loves. Alright, you've hit the jackpot and made a viral video. High five! Now, what's the smart thing to do? You got it. replicate the success. This brings us to step 5. When one of my videos went viral, I knew I had struck gold. I created another video using a different image, and guess what? It exploded too. The power lies in continuous repetition and consistent uploads. Analyze your post by using data. How many comments, what types of comments, how often it's shared, how long people watch your reels, and more. Identify areas for improvement and recognize what's working well. This is crucial, yet often overlooked by many. This is your power. During my journey, my account's growth was off the charts. Starting from a measly 974 followers, I gained a mind-boggling 48,050 followers within 2 weeks. And by the end of the challenge, drumroll please, I had a jaw-dropping 111,281 followers. Talk about a success story, right? But we are not done yet, my friends. To supercharge your growth even further, you gotta unleash the power of growth hacking. And one technique that still works like a charm is using hashtags. That brings me to step 6. Those little wonders can do wonders. Use relevant hashtags to attract the right audience and watch your follower count soar. Hashtags are like the secret sauce that can make your content go viral on Instagram. Using the right hashtags can boost your posts and make them visible to a whole bunch of new people. It's like magic. To make this magic happen, I had a trusty sidekick called Right Tag. This tool helped me figure out which hashtags were the best for my posts. Test your hashtags in your niche. Also, test the volume of your hashtags after the first month. You will improve on the hashtags. Of course, the ultimate goal was to make some money from all this hard work. But you know what? Along the way, I figured out something really important. Having a bunch of followers is great, but having followers who really care is even better. Ones who chat with you, share your stuff, and keep coming back for more. So here are a few tips I picked up. Engage with your audience. Talk to them. Reply to their comments, and make them feel like they're part of your journey. Connect and create content through stories, content via private messages, or comments. Strong relationships mean higher reach. Be consistent. Post regularly so your followers know when to expect new stuff from you. Be genuine. Stay true to your identity and ensure recognition among your followers. Don't copy the style of your competition. People can tell when you're faking it. Now, obviously, for an AI-based account, you can always take this point with a pinch of salt. But in context, being genuine here means to use content that you actually believe in and are passionate about. Don't forget to pay attention to the quality and demographics of your audience too. Advertisers love audiences with high purchasing power, so target wisely, my friends. Lastly, have a long-term vision for your account. You don't want to wander through Instagram aimlessly. Trust me, it's like sailing without a compass, and nobody wants to end up adrift without a sense of purpose. Over 100,000 followers just with AI? It's bananas, and you can do this too. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and these steps have provided you with enough information to take your first steps towards an Instagram account with thousands of followers and income. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and stay tuned for more awesome content on my channel.